welcome back to the Chef Ricardo cooking program. As you can see, right over here I have some chicken wings. I'm gonna make you some fried chicken wing bites. I got a kilo of chicken wings. I did cut them off into small bits like this. And this is the wing, so I slice them off, separate them. I got right here, I have 2 cups of flour. I just put a pinch of chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and a pinch of pepper. Right over here, I'm already marinate my wings. I marinate it with your normal seasoning where you use at home for your chicken. Put it on for 24 hours and make it soak. So far, I'm gonna simple crack 2 eggs and simple put it straight inside of the chicken right here. If you do what I'm doing, crack 2 eggs and simple put it straight inside of the chicken wings, like which I just did. Little pinch of milk, not too much, just a little pinch of milk, and simply use a hand or your gloves and simply give it a nice little rub, just like this. So what I say, if you're at home, all you need to do is to marinate your chicken wings with your normal chicken or your chicken seasoning what you normally use at home. And inside of the bowl, as I say, I got 2 cups of flour, and I'm using the same seasoning which I used to marinate my chicken wings to use inside of the flour. Simply mix up the flour just like this with the seasoning inside of it. Then you're going to simply dip it inside of the flour and give it a little shake, and simply do all of them just like this and take it out. In the meantime, put 2 cups of oil inside of a frying pan, a large frying pan, and get the oil get hot. But as you can see what I'm doing right here. So right here, as you can see, I just finished all of my chicken with the flour. So now what I'm going to simply do, I'm going to put the camera straight inside of the frying pan with the oil. Nice. So as you can see, I got my frying pan with 2 cups of vegetable oil inside of it, which I told you before. Started getting hot. Now I have a Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper, which I'm going to put it straight inside of it like this. It's going to be fried. 1 large clove of garlic straight inside of it is going to be fried also to get the flavor of the pepper and of that lovely garlic. So as you can see, it's even started to fry, burst. Lovely. The nice thing, next now, let's put in that lovely chicken wings. We're going to put them in, all of them, just like this. Turn on your flame a little bit low, not too high. So as you can see, this one is ready. I made them fry roughly for a nice good 10 minutes. 10 minutes inside of the frying pan to get this perfect color. So as you can see, now I'm taking them out and I'm putting them on a piece of a napkin just to make the oil drain off inside of the napkin. But as you can see, looking lovely and nice. So this set is finished. Nice. So this is the last set of the chicken which I'm frying now, and I want to say the best thing you need to do is to cover your frying pan like what I'm doing right. Look at this. So when you cover your frying pan, when you're frying your wings or your chicken, you get a better fry. So these are ready. This one is finished, and normally, as I say, sometimes I give them a 12 minutes. You know, depends, or your oil is stay. So this one is ready. Now I'm going to take it out and I'm going to plate it up to show you all you can do with your fried chicken wings bite. For watching my YouTube cooking program, please visit my website at chefricardo.co.uk, and as I say, we have a lot more recipe coming out for you guys, and this one is just very so easy, quick and simple to prepare. So hopefully you will just like this one. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Please leave your message in the comments box if you like the recipe, and as I say, thank you one more time. Bye-bye.